Asante Memu so akoye the center of Ghana. Into ya dan ya obia beba ha. Obia so your mind ba ko na ebeto aba. Into obia timi ko ba bia ntina menim nua asase gima nhye da anya adwene se onti ase se Sam George no Abashanti region no mo ye campaign asamo so mon crofo ko mo so region. Into ya dan ya obia be ko ba bi. Obia be ko ba because abato na edru so obia pe vote. Nti nya dan ya obia be ko ba bia akoka na nsem. Nti omo ne na mu a omo nyere omo ho. Name the general population and I was me put some questions, especially me no ye the we should be able to interrogate them. For instance, when it comes to NDC, we should be able to tell them mostly cedi to dollar na ye 4 cedis akodru 17 yenim yeti ase yagiato mostly inflation cost ro na ma boa yetin exchange rate bank interest rate ni nyina cost. The question is what alternative ne de na abaye be ma cedi to dollar no am free 17 no ma 4 cedis no kura na mo komuja ho no a de na abaye be ba be 10. I was so timid, mommy, pragmatic measures here. Would you go kwemu me as a voter? No, would they convince me? I give me vote, not just because we be at 8 years into Uncle Ansomra. I was so timid, Kabibi, a man, a convince me. Then the MPP too. You are in government. Mona mo moti omano akunyana so. You don't tell me say why you kwine? Where's the hospitals? Where's the schools? Why you free SHS? No, we should be able to interrogate all these projects. More commission. How much did it cost the Ghanaian taxpayer? Say na me metuya. After size projects na more commission no me make a woman ye say na BIA cost to ye na yenya sika no wo hin e kwa be na ye befa so betua because as a taxpayer me and metuya 10% kickback say na TDC ye ni nyina wo se mutimi kira ye because you won't me mama jina ho e me penti da ho na mama commission bridge ketwa bi kura DC bi betimi a commission no mampani abi na no commission na wo mama ye no fan kire me na me because me a taxpayer
they na bezo okay
me say ya bridge bi wa tefu a na ho ya adomi bridge kura ye we ya commission of projects no enye ne man ketenkete sa na we say two president as the free client ever se no kona na aye bridge kakra bi na no just a president
atafo de nkofo asofo
masa ayi minimum house minimum barkes jade okan jai sir. I am a taxpayer and I have to interrogate the issues. When your project here was one company through a free client commission regional minister bit me aye na easy. Even your friend says Sabronum Hospital, 40 bed regional minister can commission. Maybe Robonso de no eson kakra.
Robonso say 40.
I'm not say 40 bed. All these things regional.
Some project 40 bed.
The president move back Akoma. E cost me taxpayer. Enti me I was say me busa one question. I was say me busa wo say enema wo so wo ye ni nyina acost me say do you know say for the past 1 year and so no yentua ye international debt yentua bi da o e ka ye de amano ne fo mo aboye bo se yentua bi because ya koka kiro mo se ye niska ne ye diska kakra aka ye de ye enema me ye hunti mo maye briefing space from 2025 2026 2027 go bi obawi ni bia no Ghana he mfa na easy afa ne ye betua ye ka and as a taxpayer me ka ho ne ye betua so I have to interrogate them na me busa omo the cost of what we are doing. Move around the nyina no and his kind of mo say no nti ne mani bi wo ho na say wo representative be with region no man na district no bet me ya man as a taxpayer I have every right to ask that question.
I'm getting
and to give my input.
I'm getting your
point. So and both sides no we need to ask them questions. We need to ask them questions. Normal answer. Answer no more timi dia convince you say ye nto abamo wo pick me task na de kwesi 40 bed hospital mami na aka se no ntimento abama wa masa won kan US for beto abe what is will be campaign on hospital rose market sane ma kono baby awadru no policy our person enipa de gina so to abama no ye de be ma nipa na di ye de be build economy be America sabe great. These are the things they were considering na nyesa wa ya straight if ntimi me so to abama me kwa ko gina so abobo da bi was say we the individuals was say push question. We have to take the game a step ahead. I was say more politicians who say we are discerning voters. Nigeria marketing kitibiti say kan no na t-shirt o me give vote and me I was me vote boy den. Nye t-shirt na was all the Benjamin vote. Enye development project ketua bia wa na was all the Benjamin vote. I was say me who the next 4 years or plan of action they say a dear now they beba or mining a dear na district bia benya a dear na region bia benya for on that score then NPP did well better than NDC because 2016 as at this time no NPP from you district bia factory besi wo ya kan ni nyina we phones. It appears to me said NDC was one more poor game kakra because we opposition now be pay to me no also timinya pragmatic near makum kren meye we now timi the convince ye enya de waya dada de smart to abama wo na di to me and why ade no dada de wo pese oyema ye no a wo kan no na ade convince me to abama nti me de mesra Ghana for ne say ye me ani da ho ye me vote no munya du
political party
interrogate wo mo ye musa wo questions ye musa wo sika no fa he e kasa na abeto ye kasa na ade akulu sika no would use de de e bia cost ye say na ate boat say na ate ye we have to ask them.
May I say thank you me ba but just a minute me ba o draw no na